Oh, I found some relics today. Oh, this wind. It's been piddling with rain. Oh, it's been much worse. It is howling a gale, and I'm cowering behind this little tree here because it's just like, it's really starting to, the wind is really starting to get up now, and you know, I really shouldn't be out in these high winds with my pedal bike. It could be a bit dicey, so I better finish early. But yeah, I found some relics. I found some silver. I found a very intriguing box. You know, what's inside? Could be a bit dicey going home. What's inside the box? I'm speaking up just in case it's like a bit of wind noise on the camera. Oh, yeah. Right, I think I better have this beer quick. Right, today's selection is Bishop's Finger. Bishop's Finger, yeah. A classic Kentish strong ale. Bishop's Finger takes its name from the name of ancient signpost on the Pilgrim's Way. Oh yeah, the Pilgrim's Way. That's you want to research pilgrims where they go, because they're always dropping like pilgrim type material. What they call those little lead things. Yeah, someone will probably tell me. Ampulas. That's it, ampulas. Lead ampula. I've never found a lead ampula. Anyway, it is 5.4%. Woohoo! 5.4. I'm gonna need. I'll be wobbling even more on my bike going home. I can see it wobbling now. It might go over in a minute. So I'm gonna open this here ale. Get it down quick. I was in two minds about coming out today. Well, hopefully I'll make it home. Well, if I don't make it home, you won't see this video, will you? Now that looks like good stuff, that does. Smells like good stuff. I can smell the sweetness, the strength of it. I just grab hold the camera stand there. That is. Oh, you can taste the potency in that. Oh yeah, I was going to chat to you about the super big coil. Now, obviously, I can't find this coil for sale in the UK anywhere. It's not for sale in the UK, and obviously it's for sale in Australia because they're made there. And I've seen them for sale in America. America got quite a few for sale. But what I want you to do is I want you to find me the cheapest place to buy this super duper big 40 by 20 inch coil, and make sure that they post to the UK as well. Like, yeah, post to the UK, because being under a tree in high winds is probably not a good idea. As I can see the odd branches that have come off other trees. I probably won't be cycling home on one route because it's like a bit, you know, near the top of a hill. I've got to go over a big hill to get home. But I might sort of hug some bushes to try and get home. Oh. My bike's going to go over in a minute. Right. Now the wind's definitely getting up. It wasn't like this a minute ago. When I started it was quite pleasant. Now the wind's really getting a bit stronger. Oh, I can see brightness on the horizon. The wind might die down a bit. Yeah, it's definitely brighter on the horizon. Might be able to do a bit more detecting. Anyway, what was I talking about? Yes, I digress. Yeah, the coil. So if you could put in the comments below as the cheapest place you can find for me to buy this coil, because it's expensive. I might have to beat that. Yeah, they're quite expensive, these coils. So yeah, if you could find me the cheapest place and mention it in the comments below, and that they post to the UK. Right, what else was I going to talk about? I had a comment below about one chap is concerning the portable Antiquities scheme. One chap has been waiting 3 years for his fines to come back. Well, they do take a long time. I've been waiting a year for some fines to come back. You know, they like to hang on to the gold. I don't know whether they get some sort of interest or something. Maybe they've got some scam where they can claim interest. Yeah, I've got gold that they've had for about a year. So yeah, any more comments about the portable Antiquities scheme falling into disrepair would be greatly appreciated. Right. Oh yes, I'm gonna drink this here beer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I think the wind is starting to die down a bit. But just in case it gets worse, which is a distinct possibility, we're into November, and October, November, we tend to get that's when we get the high winds in this country. I don't know if you get it around the world, high winds in October and November. But yeah, definitely getting high winds today. Oh, I was watching some videos on YouTube today about a couple of months ago in America where they had some hurricane go across America, and the people were filming the winds outside their doors, like through the windows, and watching roofs and stuff being ripped off houses. Oh my god, I've only ever seen that once outside my window. Yeah, some garages where you park your cars. You've got like a row of garages. All the roofs suddenly ripped off and flew through the air. You know, about 100 feet's worth of roof off these row of garages. Just went, whoa, and that was, you know, that was impressive, to say the least. Right, I'm waffling. Right, I'm gonna drink this here beer. I think I'm gonna pack up because it's very dicey. That, you know, the wind's died down now, but it could get back up in a minute, and it could be like really strong. So I'm gonna head off, I think. But tomorrow I'm going to be out with Tony. The weather's supposed to be a bit better tomorrow. I'm going to be out with Tony, and we're going to be detecting the field where I found that circular thing with the 3 crescent moons in, because that was a nice relic. We found out what it was at the end. It's some sort of swinging horse brass, so not particularly old. Not particularly old, but it looked impressive when I dug it up. So yeah, I'll be out with Tony tomorrow, so, and it's going to be a much nicer day, hopefully. Cheers!